The digital age of industrial manufacturing has started. Digitally 3D printed products are now available around the globe in as fast as a few days. New design opportunities and freedom arise without the usual time and expense needed for new designs, a huge lack in today's manufacturing landscape. The one-step CAD-to-Optic manufacturing process allows a fast and flexible way of working and is unique in its kind due to its ability to create complex optics and smooth surfaces without polishing. By jetting droplets on demand, the UV-based Printoptical process creates optic structures that are raised directly from the sheet and are readily available for use.
What I expect is that development of a new lens can be done in a few days, which will bring it down from a few months.
Getting your product on the market is something you'd like to do as fast as possible, and I think technology can help a great deal with that timing issue.
Constraints of having high investments to be recovered from huge volumes will not be there, and is also that designers can be more creative in getting the solutions they want without any limitations. The restriction or a constraint of having molding and a huge investment in molding is gone now. I think when I look at major part of our customer group, which is architects and designers, they play a lot with their creativity and with the printable lens from a CAD file. So that will solve that frustration of having to just use fixed number of standard lenses in the market. I think it's the freedom, that's the best way to express it. It's full design freedom for a designer to have any optics that he wants to express his creativity.
The new possibilities of creating optics, so things you simply cannot make in another way. And that's the exciting part of this technology. It opens up a new design space for optics.
Every designer designs a unique space which is customized, and lighting is also customized for every space. So until now we could customize product design, but not a lens design. So having a lens design also customizable is actually a big step forward.
What comes to mind is the possibilities of mass customizations to customize your product to the needs of a specific person while still producing in large numbers. I think that's a great opportunity.
A lot of LED engines coming to the market every day, but not so many lenses, not to catch up with the number of LED engines and new light engines that are coming. So yes, I think this is going to start a new era where I would think of having a library where people can just create a file and online print it, and it goes directly to a printer, and they can get a delivery next day. So that would be so cool.
The unique thing about these printers is that they can print optics that are functional, right? That have a good optical quality, and that is something that you normally can't do with a 3D printer.
Well, we have been looking at future possibilities, capability, and I've seen the plans, and I think it's incredible. The next generation of printers that they're working on, that's really going to revolutionize the whole optical design world within lighting.
Our team is looking forward to helping you discover the advantages of going digital. We encourage you to contact us to discuss your next business opportunity.